Today, this is my great opportunity to stand here front of to you all and share my views on importance of time. What is time? Time is very precious for all human being. Why we are here? Because we just create our time, and that's why we are here for studying. So, time is very precious. We should not waste our time. By the help of time, we are
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
My name is Mohammad Zulkarnain Farooqi. I am from Garyawa and I am preparing for graduations, and apart from these I am preparing for spoken English in AIL, which is the largest institute of India of spoken English, and I am here to tell you the importance of English. So what is the importance of English? We have a lot of topics, we have a lot of languages also. In the world, in this world there are 6,500 spoken languages, and English is not even the most spoken language in the world, but despite this, English is one of the famous language in this world. Use of English is used everywhere, like communication, in aviation, science, and all over the world.
Of everyone's life. The bond that we share with each and every individual of our family, it's not only create a respectful relationship, but also transfer a house into the home. Basically, there are two types of family, joint family and nuclear family. In joint family, it consists of grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, sibling. But in nuclear family, it consists of parents and their kids. In India, the joint family's existence from the decades. In joint family, the responsibilities would be given to each and every individual of the family.
Importance of newspaper. Okay. According to the Wikipedia, you might know this, that India is the largest manufacturer of newspaper in the world, and it sells 78.8 million copies per day, means 7.88 crores of copies per day. Now I'm going to tell you about its importance. There are various fields in which newspaper is important for us. Few of them are: newspaper is important in education. How? I'll tell you. Reading newspaper will help you to increase your word power, and it will help you to find words which can be useful for you in the future. Continue reading can help you know about the general awareness questions, which is very useful for future competitive exams. Second, newspaper is important for students, the most important ones. Most of the times the students who are preparing for the competition exams, newspaper plays a major role in their life, because
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
दिल तो हर किसी के पास होता है, लेकिन सब दिल वाले नहीं होते हैं। हमें एक बार परख कर तो देखो, हम जैसे मत वाले नहीं होते हैं। धन्यवाद।
In our life, in my opinion, the value of healthy life gives us the opportunity to make our life beautiful, spriteful, and delightful. In today's life, people are so busy and struggling to making their life full of efforts and making wealth and comfort. Due to this, it's the invitation of diseases. Making wealth and comfort is not bad, but giving our whole life is so bad. Value of health is just like that, value of our planet, and also value of our family. According to Health Index of India, Kerala is the state which performs the first position in our India. But
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
In the burning forest. Once upon a time, a large rainforest, home to many animals, caught fire. Driven out of their homes from the hills, the animals watched together. The animals were helpless as their homes and land was destroyed. Then a small bird flew past with a droplet of water it had collected from a lake nearby. It dropped it on the fire, then flew back for another drop of water. Then again and again and again. The animals watched in amazement as the bird flew back and forth, determined to quell the fire with just drops of water. Then an elephant stopped the bird and asked, why he could not see his efforts were in vain. The bird simply replied, "The drops of water I carry may not stop the fire, but eventually you will realize that if we all work together, we can make a difference." The message the little bird story of the forest fire conveys to us is that
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
शिवम त्रिपाठी और मैं संपूर्णानंद संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालय से आचार्य का छात्र होने के साथ साथ इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में बतौर अधिवक्ता प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि सृष्टि का सिर्फ जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पहलू मिला बोलने के लिए वो था यज्ञ। यू हैव लिसन एवर नेम ऑफ यज्ञ। ये सृष्टि का एकमात्र ऐसा वर्क है जो कि स्वार्थ के लिए नहीं बल्कि संपूर्ण सृष्टि के लिए किया जाता है। एंड सबसे पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ कि यज्ञ है क्या, दूसरा चीज़ ये किया क्यों जाता है, तीसरा इसके फायदे क्या हैं। यज्ञ वो कार्य है जो किसी के भी हित के लिए हो, स्वयं को छोड़ के, बाकी किसी के हित के लिए भी जो हम छोटा सा कार्य करते हैं या बड़ा सा कार्य करते हैं उसे यज्ञ कहा जाता है।
यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है।
My story. Once a boy asked to his father, "Dad, what is the value of our life?" His father did not say anything and gave a strange stone and said to his son that go in the market and ask to the price for this stone for different people and at different places. He went in the market and saw a woman who was nurturing and watering the plants in her garden, and he asked to her, "I want to sell this stone. Would you like to purchase it?" Woman saw and say, "Okay, I will take it and put it in my garden. And what amount you want?" He raised his two fingers and did not say anything because his father already told him that if anyone ask money for this stone, raise only your
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस रही जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रही, तेरी आन से चल चल मेरी ये रही न रही। है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क है, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के कौन कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Today I am here. Now I tell you about my topic. My topic is dowry. Dowry means dahej. Dowry is the curse for our society. It's a chronic disease. It's spreading day by day in our country. Dowry was born in Babylon, present-day Iraq. Dowry system in England was introduced in the 12th century by the Norman, and the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, and the legislation comes from into 1st July 1961.
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
Importance of reading books. Okay, and firstly let me explain you the importance of reading books in just 2 points. First, and books can give us a lot of information and knowledge, and that we can use for our educational and professional success. And second is books are really good source of entertainment for everyone. And when people are addicted to mobile and TVs, nothing can take place of reading good books. And I would like to represent a quote from a famous American Russian writer, Vera Nazarian. They said कि whenever you read good book, somewhere in the world a door open to allow in more light. You can say that when you start reading good books, and it allows you to gain more knowledge of the world. And it is commonly said that today's reader will become
हार के बाद ही जीत
उसकी आए बहार, आने से उसकी आए बहार, जाने से उसकी जाए बहार। बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। गुनगुनाए ऐसे जैसे बजता हो घुंघरू कहीं पे, आके पर्वतों से जैसे गिरता हो झरना जमीन पे। झरनों की मौज है वो, मौजों की रवानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा।
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
तेरे जाने के बाद लगता है हाथों में रह गए तेरे हाथ, तू शामिल है मेरे हंसने में रोने में। है क्या कोई कमी मैं पागल होने में, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा।
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
हाल सखिया जू मिथिला नगरिया निहाल सखिया, चारों दुल्हा में बड़का कमाल सखिया, चारों दुल्हा में बड़का कमाल सखिया। आजू मिथिला नगरिया निहाल सखिया, अरे निहाल सखिया, चारों दुल्हा में बड़का कमाल सखिया। सावर सावर गोरे गोरे जुलमी नयनवा, सावर सावर गोरे गोरे जोड़िया जहान में। अखिया न देखल सुनल नहीं कान रे, हो जुग जुग जिए जोड़ी जोड़ा बेमिसाल सखिया, चारों दुल्हा में बड़का कमाल सखी।
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी मैं तेरा बादल पिया। जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तो मेरी मैं तेरा पागल पिया। हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मेरी है किसी आंधी और
हार के बाद ही जीत है।
Thank you.
हार के बाद ही जी